Stop scrolling. This is one of the best value homes in Montgomery right now. Welcome to 6205 Pinebrook Drive, a clean, solid brick home sitting in a quiet, established neighborhood. You've got curb appeal, a low-maintenance exterior, and a layout that just makes sense. Not just exist. The kitchen gives you function and flow. Whether you're cooking for the family or hosting, it works. Perfect for a first-time buyer or a smart investor. Step inside and you're greeted with natural light, open living space, and room to actually live. With multiple bedrooms and comfortable living space, this home fits growing families or tenants looking for space and privacy. And outside, you've got yard space for kids, pets, or just relaxing after a long day. Affordable, functional, move-in ready. This is 6205 Pinebrook Drive. DM me now or call today, because deals like this don't last.